Okay, so simulan natin yung discussion natin sa dynamics, no? Under kinematics of particles. A particle travels along a straight line to the right with a velocity of, okay, so given dito yung velocity function natin, no? Where t is in seconds. Also, s is equal to 0 when t equals 0. Find the position and acceleration of the particle when t is equal to 4 seconds. Okay, so ito, recall lang natin yung concept natin. Okay, by the way, yung variable natin dito na gagamitin ay a for acceleration, no? Yung v, velocity. S ay yung position. Okay, so ano bang mga relationship niyan? Okay, simply yung ating A ay equal to change in velocity with respect to time, and yung ating V naman ay change in position with respect to time. Okay, so yan lang naman yung ating gagamitin na relationship, no? Or, another thing dito, kapag in-isolate mo yung dt, di ba? Cross multiply, we have dt is equal to dv over a. Same thing dito. That is ds over v. Okay? Then, pag in-equate mo yan, that's dv over a is equal to ds over v. Cross multiplied, v dv is equal to a ds. Okay, ito rin yung isa pa, no? Okay? Okay, depende yan sa given. Kasi dito, given tayo ng t. Okay, kapag walang given na t, na time, ito yung gagamitin natin yung v dv is equal to a ds. Pero pag may given na time, dito lang tayo, ano? Okay? Ayan lang naman yung relationship, no? So, pati makuha yung position, okay? And acceleration ng particle when t is equal to 4 seconds, no? Okay, so solve muna natin yung ano ba yung madali, yung acceleration na lang muna. Kasi given na tayo ng v, 4t minus 3t squared, acceleration mo ay dv over dt. Okay, so plug in lang, di ba? A is equal to t derivative ng velocity mo. Okay? So meaning that is A is equal to, derivative niyan, that's 4 minus 6t. At t is equal to 4 seconds, okay? A is equal to 4 minus 6 times 4, that is equal to ilan yan? Negative 20, no? Meter per second squared. So, ganoon lang siya, no? Okay? Application lang ng derivative, no? Power rule lang siya. Next is yung position naman. Bakit yung gagamitin yung position? Ito naman yung gagamitin natin, no? Okay? V is equal to ds over dt. Plug in mo yung V. Minus t, 40 minus 3t squared times dt, no? Is equal to ds. Okay? So, how are we going to solve for f? Integrate natin yan, no? Okay, now ano yung magiging bound natin? Bounds. Okay, sabi dito, at t is equal to 0, ay at s equal 0, t is equal to 0, meaning yan yung initial condition. At s equal 0, t mo 0. At t is equal to 4, ayun yung solve natin na s. Okay, ganyan lang natin siya i-set up, no? Now, using power rule ulit, ano integral ng 4t? That's 2t squared minus t cubed. Yan. Ito, s lang naman to, di ba? Kasi 0 naman yung lower bound eh. Okay, so plug in na lang natin yung 4 kasi 0 din yung lower bound nito. 2 times 4 squared minus 4 cubed is equal to s. S natin ay ilan yan? Sige, calculate natin. Yan, that is 2 times 4 squared minus 4 cubed. And negative 32, no? And negative 32 meter. Okay, so ano ibig sabihin ng negative niyan? Ibig sabihin nito, di ba? Kung ang tawag dito, kung nagta-travel siya sa right, yung velocity, sabihin to the left yung displacement mo from original position mo na 0. Okay, so kumbaga kung number line yan, di ba, ang original mo at t equals 0, s equals 0 nandito. After 4 seconds, nandito siya to the left, no? Kasi kaya negative. Okay, so same thing naman, pag acceleration naman, ibig sabihin yan, negative, deceleration siya, okay, pabalik siya. Okay, kasi motion mo to the right, di ba? At t equals 4 mo, yung position mo to the left. So, ibig sabihin yung acceleration mo, on the opposite direction din. Okay, ganyan lang interpretation ng ating answer. Okay, so yun lang dito for this example. No? Tuloy pa natin to sa susunod. Thank you.